come summertime, we're on the road, and I don't know when we're going to be back. Now's the time, guys. This one we have to shine. All you guys that been waiting all winter long to hit the road and do some camping and get in your RV, now's the time to get her ready. Get washing, waxing, all your little maintenance, cleaning out your bins, getting everything organized, because the nice weather's here and we're ready to hit the road. I've already jumped on my list. You're going to see in this video, I've been up against it. I've been working on mine for, I don't know, a couple weeks now. Washed it, waxed it, cleaned out all the bins, vacuumed my pass-throughs. I've got battery boxes, everything. Even the depth compartment. I've been cleaning everything I can clean. I've got a service scheduled here in the next month at Freightliner. They have Big V serviced. There's so many things that we've done just getting ready for the season. You know, we're going to be here for another month or so, but come summertime, we're on the road, and I don't know when we're going to be back. It'll be probably, it's going to be after Christmas before we're back in this neck of the woods.
But, hey, don't wait around till the last minute. Get out there, work a little on the weekends and afternoons, things like that, because before you know it, it's time to hit the road. Let me show you some things, other things I've done.
Just got Big V all washed. I waxed it with the spray-on wax, and it did look at the reflection, man. It did a pretty dang good job. All in all, it took me about 7 hours to do it all. Super happy with it. Here's the other side. Like I said, she cleaned up really well. So today I am cleaning, doing a little cleaning in my bin. So I'm taking advantage of the good weather. Spring and fall, to me, you just can't get no better. So with the weather being so nice, I'm cleaning up some engine compartments, some of my bins, things like that. It's a good time to get good and spruced up. I've already washed and waxed Big V. Took about 7 hours to do that. Now I'm going through all the compartments, cleaning up, getting ready, man, getting ready to go on the road. But, you know, protecting our investment more than anything. So take advantage of the time you got with good weather. Does anybody else feel like you're forever organizing and reorganizing your bins? It seems like almost every time we stop somewhere, I have to redo this stuff, because it's like, no matter how much room you have in an RV, it's always not enough. Installed an tire pressure monitoring system, and I don't know if you can see it. See that receptacle right there? That's where I'm gonna plug it into. That's my repeater. That's what's getting mounted on here, the repeater. So that's gonna be there.
This will get plugged into here. Repeater will probably go back right there. Oh, gotta get a couple screws. Oh, right there. I like it. Oh, I'm flushing the black tank as well, just in case you're wondering what this is. Be careful when you're spraying using any kind of liquids. Electronics, one of their biggest enemies is any kind of moisture. So just use just enough to clean up in there around anything electrical. Don't overdo it. Don't spray directly on your electrics either. So be careful.
New mud flap for Vinny. Just put it on last night. I tell you, I don't know about it, you guys. You see these water spots or whatever they are? Man, I have a heck of a time getting them off. I bought some stuff. This metal polish. I've seen some from chemical guys that says it might take care of it, but man, I've tried all kind of stuff trying to get these things clean. These water spots and whatnot is lethal. You guys got a better idea, let me know. Wave, still on camera. Think.
Say hey to the camera. Say hey, Papa. She's like.